48 News at 6. I'm Elizabeth Jennell.
And I'm Mark Thornhill. Only on WFF 48, a Huntsville man fighting City Hall to stand up for the way of life he believes in.
Give people the most liberty and personal freedom that you can afford to give them without infringing on other people's rights. I just don't see how we're hurting anyone by being here.
Now, one local Huntsville man joined the military to fight for our rights, but now he says his own rights are being threatened. The city condemned Tyler Truitt's property. The city filed a lawsuit calling his self-sufficient lifestyle unsafe. Truitt says he's not hurting anyone and deserves to live on the land he owns. WFF 48's Lauren Bale joins us now with his story. Lauren?
Many would call it the American dream, only owning 2 acres of land and living completely independently off of that land. The city says that's a violation of city ordinance, and officials are threatening to arrest Tyler Truitt and his girlfriend Soraya Hamar. The couple says they'd rather be arrested than leave their land.
If it's the simple things in life that matter, it perhaps doesn't get any simpler than living off the land.
So we live out here 100% off the grid, self-sustaining.
Tyler Truitt and his girlfriend Soraya have everything they need.
So I've basically made all my own utilities. I got my solar panels, I've got my rainwater collection system and stuff.
Everything, that is, except the support of the city.
They said that our house is a trailer, which they say is not allowed within city limits.
City officials also took issue with Truitt's off-the-grid lifestyle.
And of course they came, they condemned our house, and they told us that if we stayed here we were going to be arrested for trespassing on our own property. And the reason why was they said that it was unsafe living conditions because we don't have city utilities hooked up.
The former military member says he just wants the freedoms he swore he'd protect.
You know, I took an oath that I would support and defend the Constitution and the freedoms that entails, and I feel like those are really being trampled upon.
Truitt is prepared to fight for his home.
There comes a point where you have to stand up for what you believe in,
no matter the cost.
They could come out here today if they wanted to and, you know, take us to jail for trespassing, if that's what they want to call it, and, you know, that'd be fine with me. You know, I'll still come back the next day and the next day because it's my home and because I live here. So, you know, where else am I supposed to go, really?